Most missed upsells in field service happen after the job is already done, because technicians treat the visit like a single task instead of a chance to solve related problems in the same trip. By the end of this, you'll know how to spot upsell opportunities during a job, how to bring them up without sounding pushy, and how to turn one visit into more revenue. Upselling in field service only works when it feels like problem solving, not selling. Here's how to do it. First, identify add-ons before you arrive. When you use a field service platform like Jobber or Housecall Pro, you already have job history, customer notes, and service records in one place. That tells you what might be failing next or what hasn't been serviced in a while. For example, if you're there for an AC repair, and the filter hasn't been changed in months, that's not a separate pitch. That's part of the system. Second, present options instead of recommendations. Customers respond better when they feel in control. Instead of saying, "You should replace this," you give 2 or 3 clear options like basic fix, standard fix, or full upgrade. That removes pressure and increases acceptance because they're choosing, not being sold to. Third, tie the upsell to the current problem. The strongest upsells happen when you connect them directly to what the customer is already paying for. If you're fixing a leak, mentioning pipe wear in adjacent sections is not a new problem. It's context for preventing another call-out. Now here's where most contractors lose money. They wait until after the job is finished to mention extras. At that point, the customer has already mentally closed the budget. You want to surface options during diagnosis, not after completion. Fourth, use photos and proof. Showing what you're seeing makes upsells factual instead of opinion-based. A cracked part, corrosion, or worn component is much easier to approve when the customer can see it. Fifth, keep pricing simple. Complicated pricing slows decisions. Flat add-on pricing or bundled options close faster because customers don't have to calculate anything. Now here's the system that ties it together. Review job history before arrival, identify likely add-ons, present options during diagnosis, and support everything with visual proof. Your next step is to pick one common service you offer and write down 3 natural upsells that logically connect to it before your next job. If you want more ways to increase revenue per job without adding more customers, like and subscribe for more field service breakdowns.